Hello Internet, welcome to the channel. Little update video on my little side project. It's called Little Kiss Nursery, and I'm trying to grow some little plants. Okay, so I haven't done one of these videos for a while. I've had a lot of questions. Andy, can you give us an update please on your little nursery plant growing project? So here's my current stock. I've just repotted these out of that sort of a container. Going well. Here's a little experimental section. Here's my greenhouse. You might have seen my greenhouse video. Have a look at the color of these jades. They're very fluorescent looking. Oh, I've got one little lovely beautiful little flower here, but here is where it's all been happening, and I'm kind of doing a little bit of experiment of getting some of these and putting them out into the wilderness because I'm not sure if they're getting enough sun, and I think succulents like a bit of sun, so we'll see. So here's my sort of master pot. Oh, there's a weed in there, but yeah, it's all good there. And then this is just my little preparation area, which, like I said, I just did some planting into little pots recently, into the little plastic pots. And so here's a product I'm going to put onto Facebook Marketplace. It's an established plant. I bought a ruler so I can have a bit of a look. Yeah, it's about a 15 centimeter pot. Very nice plant. How much should I charge for this? What do you reckon? Anyway, so that's where we are. Yeah, it's all going very slowly. It's been a few little delays. I've just been doing I've been doing some other projects, so this is a bit of a back seat, but it's still going. So here you go. That's where we're at the moment. Any questions or comments, please write them below. Please subscribe down here. That'll be awesome if you want to see more updates. And yeah, that's it for today. Bye everybody.